Hey gardeners, are you ready to take your garden to the next level? I'm Luke, the traveling urban farmer, and I am passionate about helping you grow a better garden. In this video, we're starting seeds that we'll be able to plant this spring.
I always miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone. And I always miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone. I always miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone. And I always miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone. La 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 la. 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 I always miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone. I always miss you when you're gone. I miss you when you're gone.
Hey everyone, so I just got done planting some seeds. I drew basically like a blueprint or a map of the seeds, and I have the packages here. So what I'm going to go through is I'm going to go make a spreadsheet that keeps track of all the seeds when they're planted. That way, I don't forget. One trick, and I probably need to do this, I probably will, I just gotta go find some tape. But put some masking tape or some sort of tape on your actual seed trays and write what the seeds are, just so you know what direction, because even though you might have drawn a map or written it down, your tray can get all mixed up. I've tried doing like little tags and stuff, and I just haven't found the ones I like the best. So I saw one YouTuber, Acre Homestead. She just uses tape and writes on the tape, and then that's what she actually transfers out to her garden bed, which is kind of cool. So she uses like white duct tape. So I might go do that. I might go get some white duct tape, or masking tape will work. Just something. You just want to make sure you know what direction and what seeds are in what spot on your seed trays, and it's really easy to mix those up. So write it down as well as mark your trays. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then keep you guys posted on how these seedlings are doing. I don't know if you saw in the time lapse, there's a light, and I'm going to write up a document, so I'll link that document as well with this video. But there are different colors of lights that help the plants grow and help them through their photosynthesis. And so for seed starting, from the research I've done, you want more of a bluish light. I've seen some that are like a little bit more like a black light. This one that I bought, I just got at Home Depot. It has all three. So it has black light, or a blue light, and then like a just normal daylight with high lumens, and then a red light, and they all do different things. So the blue light helps with the seeds to start. The whiter light helps with vegetation and really gets it growing and plumped, and then the red light helps the plants flower or bloom or bud, I guess. So I've never done that before. I've only used normal lights, and so I'm going to try this one out with this set of seeds, and if it works, then sweet. I'm going to be on the hunt for other lights. And on my seed tray, or on my seed shelf, back here behind me, maybe you guys can see it. So there's 3 shelves, and I can actually add more, but I just used, like spotlights that you can buy at Home Depot. They're like 15 bucks. And then the light bulb that screws into those. So I could have like the top shelf be the start of the seeds, The second shelf be growing the vegetation, really getting them to be plumped up and good size. And then below, once they're at a good size, I gotta have that be the red light, and that's when they start developing their buds and stuff, which might be kind of cool to do it that way. So we'll see. I have other lights that have red light bulbs in them, so I might just try those and move those to the bottom and see how those work. I don't know if the mixture of the three, I'm hoping by being on different levels, it doesn't squirt the plant too bad, but we'll see. Also, on your seed packages, you want to make sure that you read and plant accordingly. It'll tell you, like this one for example, it says 70 to 79 days. That's how long it takes for the plant to mature. And if you think about that, that's like 2.5 months. So by starting them sooner and getting them bigger, I am jump starting the seed, jump starting the plant, so maybe I can enjoy jalapenos a lot earlier on. So the seeds I planted in there, one's a jalapeno from Mountain Valley Seed Co. I believe this company is from Utah based. Johnny Seeds, everybody knows Johnny Seeds. How awesome are they? This one I did. This one's the habanero hot peppers, and then I did an Anaheim hot pepper. And then I had some seeds that just kind of spilled out, and so I'm just kind of threw those inside. 2 6-cell trays that have a mixture of who knows what type of peppers, but who doesn't like peppers? And if anything, I'll just grow the plants and then maybe try and give them away to some family members or neighbors, or sell them on my Tough website. Don't forget to go check out that website. It's a Traveling Urban Farmer. You can find a link. I'll put a link in the description of this video. There's also a link on my Instagram page. And I'm going to start adding, different tips, pro tips and tricks to take care of your garden, especially if you're a new gardener. I don't want this lengthy blog. I just want, short little paragraphs, quick little tips and tricks, just to help you guys out some. So look forward to that in the near future. And thanks for watching. Thank you from the Tough family.